And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Hey love, it's your girl Deja K and welcome back to my channel. For this hairstyle, you'll need some jam, some rubber bands, a crochet needle, and of course some Marley hair. I love wearing long hairstyles in the fall, so I decided to do these juicy kinky twists. I'm going to be doing the rubber band method, so I'm doing all of my parting before I start crocheting any hair in. And the hair I'm going to be using is the equal Cuban twist hair in 24 inches. I really love the texture of this hair. It mimics type 4 hair so perfectly. I will always recommend this hair for any Marley twist or braids. The hair did smell a little weird straight out of the pack, but it wasn't a big deal for me. If you are really fickle about that, then I would definitely recommend washing the hair before you use it. I used 8 packs for this style, and each pack comes with about 10 pre-sectioned pieces, and for each twist I'm using 1.5 pieces. I didn't want to do the twist too small or too big, so this size was perfect for me. And I'm crocheting the hair in the traditional way, and once I have my hair evenly sectioned, I'm gonna start twisting down as tight as possible. You want to twist the strands as you twist down so that they're nice and tight. Definitely take your time with this because this hair can get really puffy if you don't twist tight enough. It took me quite a while to get these twists done because this hair is not easy to tame like the passion twist hair. You have to really take your time and twist very tightly to get the best results. At this point, I was 5 packs in and halfway done. I was getting real hyped because not only was I almost to the finish line, but they were coming out so good, I was getting really excited. I put on the Beyonce homecoming show and girl, I was jamming out, okay? This was such a phenomenal performance. B is such an icon. I absolutely love her. And finally, on the last twist, it took me all day to do these, y'all, but I'm finally boiling some water to give these babies a dip in that extra oomph and flow. I absolutely love how these came out. They're so juicy and neat and natural looking. I'm definitely going to be keeping these for a while. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I've been a little ghost on YouTube, but I'm back and I'm trying to stay consistent, I promise. But please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you beauties in my next video.